Southeast San Diego, a region approximately 15 miles south of La Jolla, presents a stark contrast with its high rates of crime and poverty. There are more liquor stores and fast food restaurants than there are grocery stores and places to get fresh, healthy food. Places devoid of such access are referred to as food deserts. The main focus of my research was on the feasibility of implementing a food hub in Southeast San Diego, with the food hub defined as a singular location for the aggregation, distribution, and marketing of locally farmed food from local and regional producers. I am interested in the role community development and city planning play in resource allocation. Unsurprisingly, we found that there is a great need for a food hub in Southeast San Diego. Farmers surrounding the region have no major way to distribute their produce to these communities, since a major food hub that formerly served the area went on hiatus with claims of benefiting farmer independence. In Food Justice, Gottlieb and Joshi discuss the marketing tactics of the fast food industry. They point to the fact that for-profit corporation models of food and beverage manufacturers have resulted in the pervasive advertisements from the food industry, in particular the fast food industry. As a result, a fast food culture has pushed itself into everyday life, especially in the lives of vulnerable populations and minorities. First, we identified potential clients, from the production point of farmers and local producers to points of distribution, schools, hospitals, farm-to-table restaurants, and the surrounding areas, and determined the feasibility of Earth Lab to meet those needs. We then reached out to multiple restaurants, schools, and farms with a questionnaire to determine interest and partnership and individual needs. With this information, we were able to synthesize key partners, activities, and resources into a potential business model. Over the course of the quarter, I worked with 4 urban studies and planning students to create and implement a food hub to provide local institutions and restaurants in the Southeast San Diego with local food, which we defined as food produced within a 100-mile radius. We worked in partnership with Groundwork, a nonprofit based in Challis Creek that deals with issues of environmental justice from the dimensions of restoration, access, resource allocation, and ultimately management of physical spaces. Groundwork has converted a 4-acre plot into a dynamic learning space for students of Challis Creek to educate them on nutrition and the value of food production, and now is looking to further evolve the space into a food hub.